Ladies and gentlemen, my art nerds, I hope everybody's day is going good so far. For me right now, it is 8 o'clock in the morning, which is sleeping in for me. I am usually up super early with my kids, school and whatnot. It's Saturday morning. So it's not that I really got to sleep in. I just kind of laid there for an extra little bit. And today I'm going to be focusing on putting together a video for you. Basically a day in the life as an artist, as an artist. And I do this. I pour myself a big ass coffee to wake up because I go to the gym in the morning, first thing every day, and I don't take pre-workouts. I don't none of that stuff. I just drink coffee to kind of wake up, even though I'm kind of like a really high-strung person as it is, and I don't really need anything like that. But I love the taste of that coffee. It's so good. Anyways, as you can see, I got my art set up back there. I'm working on a drawing right now, and I'm going to be going live later on to get in some more work on that. So I'm pretty excited, but I'm going to finish my coffee and get caught up on some emails and, check out YouTube and do some things. And I'll be out of here in probably 15 minutes or so because I'm going to be going to the gym fasted this morning with no nothing, just a little bit of water that I had and some black coffee with nothing in it, completely fasted, no food. Well, everybody, got the air conditioner cranked from yesterday. My daughter's got the radio on. Gross. Let's do this. I don't have to warm up my car, which is great because it's so nice out already. Normally I wait at least a minute to warm up my car. Nothing. We are off to the gym this morning. And look at this. Yard sales already. Check it. Oh yeah. Garage sailing, yard sailing. I love it. I love going to places like that, and I love to find certain things, even sometimes when I'm not drawing portraits of animals or whatever, or action figures, portraits, stuff like that. I like to grab little figurines with that are fully chromatic and stuff, and take my own photos of them and do that. Take my own reference photos for my artwork. The reason why I'm making this video is because I just want to show you guys, what it's like from my perspective for once. I always do these drawings that you see that are just fully time-lapsed, and I don't talk in them, I don't do nothing, and it's not very personable. And I find myself clicking on a lot of videos on YouTube with art and stuff like that lately that have a lot of voiceovers. The artist or whoever is making the video, there's people in the video, and I find it more personable, and you get more of a connection with that person, even though it's over a screen. And I find myself watching their videos more, as much as I like watching, or binge watching for that matter, just a lot of videos of just art, get to the point kind of sort of deal, right? I'm learning now as I go that what I wanna see as a viewer and stuff like that. So as a creator, I'm gonna try and implement this a little bit more into my videos, and I don't know if it's gonna be good or bad. We're gonna see. But this gym I'm going to, just off topic here, this gym, okay? I know I'm flipping the selfie camera around. This is my new gym. I used to go to a different gym. If you've watched any of my videos before on my reaction channel, Tattooed and Reviewed, I used to go to another gym. That was great, and it's still great. I just don't go there anymore. A bigger one opened up, and of course it's packed because it's Saturday morning. And here I am, gonna be one of those big douchebags with a camera.
do a few. You just pick the one you like.
All right, walking the dogs in the park. I think my hair, it's all over the place. Sorry, I'm out of the shower and my hair goes all like dreamy, if that's what you want to call it. But take them for a walk every day. All right, everybody, I just wanted to give everyone a preview of like my workspace, you know, where I edit all my videos and where I draw, so on and so forth. So here, check this out. So this is obviously my editing station. This desk actually goes up and put it down. That way, like I have a really bad back from a car injury, a back injury from a long time ago. And sometimes I like to stand up, so that desk does that too. So this is my supplies, colored pencils, my Copics, my Posca markers, pastels, all that other stuff. And then right in front of my window, I have got that, which is my complete setup and my desk. I have a drawing there, which I don't really want to give away yet on what it is. I just wanted to show everybody what my setup was like, and I'm probably going to be switching some stuff around here. I don't know about today, but soon. But this is my studio. This is what it looks like. So. Guys, so my son and I, we ended up going to the bike show. Very, very loud. It was very, very small. There wasn't a whole lot going on there. Tons of really nice bikes and stuff like that. I didn't end up getting to take any videos or any photos or anything like that. I did see a bunch of my friends and stuff there, constantly talking to people. Between talking to people or trying to hear them saying what, you know, and looking at bikes and being with my son and letting them eat and all that other stuff. There was a lot going on, so again, no photos or anything like that. It's a beautiful day outside. I don't want to not be outside. I don't want to be stuck inside all day. I am going to probably end the video here. There's tons more that I do in a day. My days are very sporadic. As you can see, I have children, I have dogs. You know, I tattoo, I've got a full-time job, all that other stuff. So I'm constantly doing a bunch of things and a bunch of different things as well. Between the gym, art, you know, drawing, tattoos, video editing, my kids, just everything in general and everything that goes on with my kids as well, such as school and so on and so forth, and just everything. So I am going to work on some more of this drawing that's actually right here. But again, I'm not going to show you, but I do have to work on that drawing as well. I hope you guys enjoyed the content and, you know, just a little bit of insight on what my days consist of, or at least today consisted of anyways. And yeah, we'll see you on the next one. And hopefully you guys, that are watching, hit that subscribe button, like, comment, feel free. And if you guys have any requests on any drawings that you guys would like to see or any commission pieces, feel free to drop a comment as well. And you can also DM me on Instagram as well.